In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create better flowcharts in Confluence using Draw.io. Flowcharts are an excellent way to visually organize processes and concepts, and Confluence, paired with the Draw.io tool, provides a robust environment to do just that. So let's dive in and walk through the steps for creating professional, clean, and effective flowcharts. First, we begin by navigating to the page where you want to embed your Draw.io diagram. Open up your Confluence space and find the particular page, or create a new one where the information will be displayed. It might help to think about the purpose of your flowchart and how it will best serve your audience on this page. Next, you're going to type draw page. This is where the magic begins. In the Confluence editor, you'll see a macro browser icon, often represented by a small plus or directly typing a draw.io in the search bar. This makes the tool accessible and ready to be embedded into your page. Once you've found it, click on the Draw.io diagram option that appears. By clicking this, you effectively integrate Draw.io's capability within Confluence, allowing you to create and edit diagrams directly on your page without needing to switch between applications. Now comes the fun part, choosing a template. Draw.io offers a rich library of templates tailored for various needs, whether you're illustrating a process, building an organizational chart, or mapping out a project timeline. There's likely a template that fits your scenario. Select a base format that represents your workflow or ideas accurately. This embedded feature ensures that as you shape your diagram, it remains where you want it on your work item in Confluence. After selecting a template, the next step is to click on the Create button. This initiates your chosen template and opens it for editing. Remember, the initial look is just a start. It's fully customizable, letting you add, remove, and tweak elements to best suit your message. Once you've arranged your diagram to your satisfaction, you'll have the chance to customize it even further. Adjust colors, shapes, text, and lines to match your brand or personal style, ensuring clarity and consistency. When you are happy with your creation, simply click on Publish to save your work. What's great is that it will immediately go live on your Confluence page, making the information available for team collaboration or public viewing. This seamless process not only elevates the flow of information, but also enhances engagement by presenting data in an intuitive visual format. By following these steps, you've created a dynamic flowchart directly within Confluence, harnessing the power of Draw.io. Whether for project management, process documentation, or brainstorming sessions, these diagrams can significantly enhance your communication and efficiency. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.